Let's see how you can make other types of cat at home in this video. Watch the video till the end, like, share and subscribe. My God bless you. Apply glue and glass on it and stick the glass on the box of cardboard. If it can't be removed, carefully apply a glue gun to it and fix it to the glass. And stick the battery with the blue gun and stick it on the cardboard and stick the switch on the cardboard with a glue gun. Glue the water bottle cap and small DC motor onto the water bottle cap. Glue the small DC motor one to it with a glue gun and put a rubber on a small DC motor and metal on top of it and stick the rubber on the DC motor and connect all the switch and battery wire to the motor wire and battery. And turn on the battery switch and see how the bell rings. You can use this bow and bell to make a bells in schools, temples and in your yard. If you are like this video, please like, subscribe, press the bell icon, share and God bless you. All the best.